Caffeine is a molecule? No. Caffeine wakes you up because... No.
This is the surface of one of your brain cells, and these are the things called receptors that molecules can attach to. As your brain uses energy...
Hey everyone, I'm Rahi Patel, your Curiosity Correspondent, and in this challenge, I want you to do what I do and explain science. I make these videos for you because I want you to get excited about learning things and see how fascinating the world can be if you dig a little deeper. One part of this process I really love is explaining science topics.
This is because of how the waves interact with each other.
It's always a fun challenge to think of creative ways to do this, and it helps me really digest what I'm learning. For this challenge, I want you to embrace your natural curiosity. What science topic have you learned about that got you wondering? Once you have your topic, use objects available to you to explain something. Maybe you want to explain how bridges work by using pasta. What? Fettuccine is... Or how spiderwebs are made using yarn. I wanted to explain how caffeine works using caffeine. Let me explain. Caffeine is the molecule found in coffee, tea, soda, and chocolate. I wanted to use these items to explain how caffeine keeps us awake. This is the surface of one of your brain cells. And these are things called receptors that molecules can attach to. As your brain uses energy, it builds up a molecule called adenosine. Throughout the day, adenosine latches onto the receptors, triggering sleep signals into your brain cells. This makes you feel sleepy. But let's rewind and put caffeine in the mix. Because it looks very similar to adenosine, it comes in and parks itself in the receptors, like a mean bully. Hey, what gives? The difference is that caffeine does not activate any sleep signals. It just kind of sits there. So now, your brain is getting way fewer sleep signals than it would otherwise, making you feel more awake. Huh. Who knew? What did you explain? And what did you learn throughout the process? Do you understand your topic better? One place that explains science well is museums. Did you know MIT has its own museum? Here's one of my favorite things there. It's a model of a future space mission called Starshade. If you need a little inspiration, maybe visit your local science museum. Good luck with your projects, everyone. I can't wait to learn from you. Into your brain cells. This makes you feel sleepy. But let's rewind.